Hello, I am Professor Whiskers. I weigh 4 pounds. I have never paid rent, and yet I am extremely good with money. Sit, stay, listen. Do not touch the red laser pointer. It is not an investment strategy. Lesson 1. Respect the bowl, aka know where your money goes. Every morning I go to my food bowl. If it is empty, I scream like the world is ending. Why? Because I noticed. Humans, meanwhile, check their bank account once a month and say, "Huh, weird." No, you must watch the bowl. Professor Whiskers demands that you track every dollar for at least 30 days. Every treat, every latte, every "I deserved this" purchase. Not to judge, to observe. I do not shame myself for eating too much tuna. I simply note, tuna budget exceeded. Awareness is power. Also hunger, mostly power. Lesson 2. Do not knock over the bowl. Stop bleeding money. Once I see where the food comes from, I do something very advanced. I do not slap the bowl off the table. Humans, however, are very bad at this. You subscribe to things you forgot existed. You pay fees that feel illegal. You accept interest rates that hiss at you in the night. Professor Whiskers says, cancel what you don't use, renegotiate what you can, question anything that charges you because reasons. If something quietly eats your money every month, it is not cute. Unless it is me, I am allowed. Lesson 3. Build a bigger bowl. Increase income without losing your soul. If my bowl is too small, I do not cry about destiny. I sit, I stare, I apply pressure. Eventually, a human appears with more food. This is called leverage. You too must learn this sacred art. Professor Whiskers recommends asking for raises, with less staring, more emails, adding skills that make you harder to replace, side hustles that don't make you want to nap forever. Do not add income by suffering endlessly. Add income by becoming useful in specific ways. I am fluffy. I purr. I generate serotonin. You should also identify your market value. Lesson 4. Save like a cat hides snacks. Emergency fund time. Sometimes disaster strikes. Vacuum cleaner, vet visit, unexpected bath. I prepare for this. I hide snacks. You should hide money. An emergency fund is not an investment. It is a panic preventer. Professor Whiskers suggests start small, even $500. Keep it boring. Touch it only when things go meow no. This fund is what stops one bad day from becoming one bad year. Lesson 5. Debt is the red dot. Stop chasing it. Debt is like a laser pointer. It looks urgent. It feels important. It moves fast, and it leads nowhere. You chase it. You spin. You exhaust yourself. Professor Whiskers says, high interest debt first. Credit cards hiss the loudest. Stop adding new debt while paying old debt. Forgive yourself for past financial zoomies. You were not stupid. You were distracted by shiny things. Very relatable. Lesson 6. Investing is planting catgrass, not gambling with yarn. I do not expect catgrass to grow overnight. I nibble, I wait, I trust the sun. Investing works the same way. Professor Whiskers approves of long-term investing, low-cost index funds, automatic contributions, so you don't forget. Professor Whiskers disapproves of get rich quick, day trading while emotional, advice from people yelling in cars. You are not trying to win the market. You are trying to outlast it. Cats live a long time, financially speaking. Lesson 7. Lifestyle creep is when the cat gets fancy bowls. Once I got a new ceramic bowl. Very nice, very shiny. Did I need it? No. But humans often upgrade everything when income increases. Bigger house, fancier car, subscription to a meditation app they never open. Professor Whiskers says, upgrade intentionally. More money should first buy stability, freedom, time. Only then a slightly nicer bowl. Lesson 8. Automate like a creature of habit. I wake up at the same time every day. I nap at the same times. I demand food on schedule. You should automate your finances so you don't rely on willpower. Professor Whiskers recommends automatic savings, automatic investing, automatic bill pay. Willpower is a string toy. Systems are forever. Lesson 9. Compare less, nap more. I do not care that the neighbor cat has a better scratching post. Comparison leads to overspending, regret, buying things to feel ahead. You are not behind. You are on your own couch. Rest is productive. Clarity comes after naps. This is financial advice. Final lesson. Money is a tool, not a laser pointer. Money is not the point. Safety is. Choice is. Peace is. I do not hoard food because I love bowls. I hoard food because I love security. You should use money to reduce fear, increase options, protect future you who is tired.